Good morning everyone. Today we'll be visiting the Art Aquarium Museum and I'm continuing my search for the mudkip. For the rest I think I'm going to stay at the hotel because it's really too hot. I'm exhausted from yesterday and I just want to chill a little bit. So after that I'm going to eat to get the streak of three days. And then I'll be ending the vlog.
La campaña no te sale menos verde. Bendito.
the next Pokemon Center. At the hotel, I got the goodie that I won. Well, here's his face. I got the goodie from Japan that I wanted, the Mudkip plushie. Why? Because it was the first game that I ever played as a little boy, and that was my starter. So this was a must for me, and I found it. So now I'm washing my clothes. Going to put them in the dryer in half an hour. Yeah, I think no 13 minutes. Yeah, 30 minutes. It's the same. What the fuck? I'm stupid. Then I'm going to start editing this vlog. Maybe we're going to the Sword Museum because it's just right outside. And then we're going to eat, and then I'm going to take a bath. I can't take you guys to the bed, otherwise you would see stuff that you didn't want to see. And I'll see you guys maybe at the dryers, otherwise at the museum or the food. So we won't be going to the Sword Museum today anymore. A lot of stuff happened. The TV in my room didn't work anymore. The Wi-Fi wouldn't connect to my laptop, and it was a whole hustle to get it fixed. So the Sword Museum is closed, and I went and got myself some food. I'll show you guys now. I just got some takeout. Really easy and smooth. Just beef, vegetable. Wait, I'll open it up. Oh, hier intensified again. So just some vegetables, some beef. I think that's carrots and some rice and some fishy treats. So I'll be eating this, and after that I will be. What the fuck? That wasn't the plan. And after that we'll end the vlog for today because I'm really tired. But for tomorrow I don't think that there is going to be a vlog. It's an holiday here in Japan. But I'll see, maybe I'll find some cool spots that I can show you guys. So, itadakimasu, and let's enjoy the food. I'm going to start with some beef because it's takeout. I don't have much hopes for it, but let's see. Never mind, it's really good meat. It still has some fat on it, but not too much, so it's well balanced. And I even taste something smoked in it, so maybe if I'll need some quick food for the next couple of days, I'll keep going there. Some vegetables. Nothing much to say about that one. And the orange stuff. It has some spicy stuff on it. So, I don't like spicy stuff. And to finish it off, the rice. Just plain rice, but my mouth is on fire because of the spicy stuff. And then we'll get the fishy treat. Yeah, it's just some fried fish in the end. So nothing special on that one. So I'm going to eat this in peace. So here are some Minecraft munching noises.